guys, I just got back home. Today is a special day. It's 1st of December and I decided to start my Vlogmas. I am not prepared for this because I think it takes a little bit of planning when you want to start something like this, but I've been watching so many vlogs and everybody wants to have a Vlogmas and I said, why not? Because I like to watch other people's vlogs. Maybe I'll kind of give something back to this community. So I just came back from church and we are preparing here a nice meal for late lunch. So we're preparing fish and a few vegetables. I'm gonna show you just a little bit in the kitchen what I'm doing because it's a mess. Oh, there's the cat in the picture. That's Zoe walking around. I'm having a nice cup of coffee in this special mug and I go in the kitchen and prepare that meal. See you later. Bye. Of December and as you see, I'm wearing my sunglasses. It's very sunny outside and beautiful, and it doesn't feel at all like winter or Christmas or anything like that. If I see something interesting, I will film and I show you in my vlog. Oh, hopefully I have something to show you. Old town, Sugarland. All the houses are a certain design, and I think you're not allowed to change the design of the neighborhood. Tiny colonial houses. Imperial sugar. So let me see, Imperial sugar. The old factory is closed. I don't think they're producing anything in this place. Probably just offices. I don't know. As you can see, it's another beautiful day. No trace of winter, but the air is cooler. And this is what winter is for us down here, South Texas. Really is very humid, but today is dry, and this is how our winter are. Dry. The air is dry and we enjoy this much. I would like to be cooler, but I'm glad for whatever I get. I forgot to tell you, but I was coming at the Museum of Art. I think I filmed a little bit and I don't know what happened to my video. So I'm here at the Museum of Art, and I brought some paintings that I want to sell. It's gonna be student sale, December 6th through 7th. And so I came here to bring my paintings, and as I'm doing always, I thought I am filming and I forgot to push the on button at the museum. And this is the ceramic room, and we'll take a look, see how beautiful things people are creating. Everything here is ceramic. I came back home late and now I'm cooking. I shredded some Chinese cabbage or something. So I shredded a little bit. I'm gonna chop some onion, green onion, and this squash. I'm gonna shred a little bit of carrot, fry it in the pan, and I want to make some dumplings, like Asian style dumplings. Okay, so I chopped this, and I'm gonna chop some onions. Okay, so all these I'm gonna put in the pan and fry them. I'm using a little bit of sesame oil. I think I'm gonna use vegan sausage. Let's start the fun. So we need clean hands, water, we have the dough, ooh, the dough is perfect. This is the last wonton. Oh, we take one square, we put some water on the edges. The opposite. And I just press a little bit like this. That look more authentic. I want to fry them. Let's see how this is. I'm gonna try to be smiling. It's good. It's better with meat. But no meat this time. I meet you on Christmas. I've been waiting all day for this moment. I can finally sit down It's been a long day, although it started very relaxing, and then suddenly I realized I need to clean my kitchen and the living area. I wanted to invite someone over for knitting, but then I was invited over to her place. So while I was going there, I said I'm gonna film how we are knitting, but then I don't know, I'm not used into filming every second of my life, and so as I enjoyed very much the conversation with her, I forgot that I was supposed to film. So it was very nice, but I couldn't stay too long. Then I had to go. So here I am now with the tea. I made myself and everybody else in the house a tea. And I'm watching Vlogmas episodes from other channels. What is this? This is a tea I bought in IKEA. I think it has lemon and some other spices. I remember when I was little, I used to go with my father in the forest, and we were picking the buds of the pines, and if you collect them on time, like when they are very small, you can dry them and have them in teas later, or they can even make a syrup that is very good for coughing. What else? I'm gonna just sit here and watch videos, as I said, while I'm working on a present knit. This is a mitten. I have to work the thumb. It's not, I haven't done it yet. I already made a pair, and this is how the others look. I cannot find the other one, and because they are two brothers, I try to make them a little bit different. These are for two little brothers.